Question number 2, the perpendicular bisector of the line joining the point this and this pass through the point this. Find the value of k. So what we need to do is we find the perpendicular bisector first. So this is the gradient one, gradient of these two. This one I will call it, this is A or B, then this will be the gradient of AB, then it will be the negative 7 over 3 minus 2 over 3 over the 6 minus negative 3. Then we will have the negative 9 over 3 over 9. So this will become negative 1 over 3. Okay, so if you're not sure, you can use your calculator here. We have the negative 7 over 3 and then minus the 2 over 3, and we have the 6 plus 3, 9. So this is negative 1 over 3, correct. Okay, then the gradient for perpendicular will be negative 1 of gradient of AB. So it will be negative 1 over negative 1 over 3. So it is 3. Okay, so actually we can change the sign and then we find the reciprocal, that is 3. Okay, so we want to find the perpendicular bisector. We need the midpoint. So the midpoint will be the negative 3 plus 6 divided by 2, and then the 2 over 3 plus negative 7 over 3 divided by 2. So this will be the 3 over 2, and then negative 5, okay, over 6. So we have the gradient is 3 and is passed through 3 over 2 and negative 5 over 6. Okay, so it will be y minus negative 5 over 6 equal to 3x minus 3 over 2. So we will have 3x minus 9 over 2 minus 5 over 6. So the y is the 3x, and I multiply 3 here, 27 plus 5, 32, minus 32 over 6. Okay, so we have the negative 9 over 2 minus the 5 over 6. So it's negative 16 over 3. Okay, this is 16 over 3. Yes. So the pass through 2k. So we have the 2k here. So that means when x equal to 2, y equal to k. So x equal to 2, y equal to k, and the y is the 3x minus 16 over 3. So k equal to 3 times 2 minus 16 over 3. 6, 18, 2 over 3. Okay, so k equal to 2 over 3. Settle. So over here we have the 2 here. We substitute into the 2 here, and we have the k here. We substitute with the k here. Okay, so perpendicular bisector. So perpendicular bisector. So it is, and then it passes to the midpoint. So to find the value of k, actually we have the other method to solve it. So what we do here, we know that the gradient for the perpendicular bisector is 3, and it passed through the 3 over 2, negative 5, 6, and the 2k here. So we will have the gradient k minus negative 5 over 6 over 2 minus 3 over 2 will be 3. Okay, so we have the k plus 5 over 6 will be 3 times this one is 1 over 2. Okay, so the k will be the 3 over 2 minus the 5 over 6 here. So times 3, 9 minus 5, 4 over 6, 2 over 3. Yes, correct. But I will prefer to do it the first way lah, because I get used to find the equation for the perpendicular bisector. So this is the equation for the perpendicular bisector, because some of the question they ask you to find the equation for the perpendicular bisector only. Then this is fall in the perpendicular bisector, then we substitute into this equation, then we get the value of k. So I will prefer to solve it using the first method lah. Instead the second method you use the gradient. Okay.